Advertech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix new text document option missing or not showing when you right click on the desktop on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, in your desktop or laptop, new text document option is missing or not showing. Then I will show you a simple method to fix this type of issues. First of all, you have to just click on this start menu, then type here notepad. Click on this notepad. After that, here you have to type welcome. Then click on the file, then click on save as. Here you have to select as all files. Select the location, then rename it as my text file. .txt. Then click on save. Then close this file and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix new text document option missing or not showing on desktop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.